Dingbats chase everyone along down the way with a hand. I'm happy again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. At the end of every month, I've decided to do a bullet journal journaling spread where I just go through each week and write down something that happened. And I chose to do this at the end of the month, but I might start doing it throughout the month. I'm really working on my calligraphy skills, and they're not so great, so I wrote "ha" below January there. So you can see I've written the dates of each week that is in January, and then I'm just going to go back and write down what happened. I chose this photo here because I don't know if you can see it very well because the lighting here is very bright, but it says "make it happen," and that's kind of how I feel about 2018. I think a lot of the things that I've wanted to do for a long time, I'm gonna have to just make them happen instead of just waiting for them to happen. So I also just kind of felt like 2018 is going to be a very special year, and I say special not meaning special, but you know, like it's gonna be special. There are gonna be really neat things happen this year. So I've decided to take that mindset for 2018 just because, you know, 2017, I just felt like it happened to me, and I've decided that this year's gonna be different. I'm learning to doodle, and I'm learning to use my brush pens, and I'm working at it, so not everything's perfect in these, but they're very fun to do. So this is my spread, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!